So hey guys, as my sister has went back to her hostel, so there is no one to hold my camera. So that's why I have ordered an Amazon Basics tripod 51 inch to hold my mobile or my DSLR camera to record the videos. So let's do the unboxing and the review of it. The package, it is recycled plastic, Amazon. So wow, this box is very nice. Before time when I bought Digitech company's tripod, their its box wasn't nice, but it got one hole, but no problem. Oh, it comes with a bag. Awesome. Looks small, but it's 51 inch. I think it's expandable. Cool. This bag quality and everything is nice. Looks a bit darker than the picture. It's very nice. Okay, so let's open this up. And the legs, now it's the main part. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. I think this is to do something. Yeah. Then this thing is to make this thing up and down, and this thing is to turn. Oh, it's cool. And it even has a water marker over here to check the balance. This is the motor work. Yeah. So I have bought this mobile holder extra as I'm shooting most of my videos using my mobile. Then we can also take this thing off by pulling it, and then we can even set our camera, and we can also even use our projectors. Okay, so I have fixed this. For demonstration purpose, I'm using my iPhone 6. So I have fixed the mobile over here, and now I'll show the features like how it can be turned. So first one, we have to lose this thing, and we can turn it like this for 360-degree. And let's tie this up, and we can also make up down gestures like this and like that. Then also we can make it like this also, 180 degrees. Yeah. And we can, if you guys don't want this much height, you can just open the clippings and you can just make it to 2 legs, 3 legs, like that, or single leg as a monopod also. So guys, you have watched the unboxing and review of the Amazon Basics tripod. I will also leave the links in the description. If you like it, you can buy it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, because your each subscribe counts and it is very helpful for us. And even this video is recorded by keeping my mobile in the tripod. Thank you.